In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link radius in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to round the corners of a link so it matches your brand's look, whether you want subtle rounding or a full pill-shaped button. Start by opening your project in Framer. On the canvas or in the left layers panel, click the highlighted element to focus it, and then click until the actual link layer is selected. If your link sits inside a group or component, you may need to click a couple of times to drill into the correct layer. Just keep an eye on the layer name to make sure the link itself is active. With the link selected, enter Edit so you can adjust its design settings. Look to the right-hand sidebar where the visual controls live. Find the radius control and open it. This is where you determine how rounded the corners are. If you see a single value with a link or chain icon, that means all four corners are locked together and will use the same radius. That's perfect for standard buttons and tags. Click into the radius value and set the number you want. Smaller values, like 4 or 6, keep things crisp. Medium values, like 8 to 12, feel friendly. Larger values push you toward a capsule or pill shape. Type the number that fits your design, and you'll see the link update instantly. If you need different radii on different corners, for example, square on the left and rounded on the right, toggle the corners so they can be edited individually. Then click each corners field and enter the exact value you need. Work around the control, setting top left, top right, and bottom left. This gives you precise control for asymmetrical shapes or when you're matching a specific design spec. If you change your mind, you can relink the corners to return to a uniform radius. Also, make sure the link layer is still selected while you adjust values. Changing the wrong layer won't affect the link's appearance. When you're happy with the result, it's time to make the change live. Click Publish in the top right of the editor. In the Publish dialog, confirm by clicking Update. Framer will push your edits so anyone viewing your site sees the new link radius immediately. That's it. You opened the project, selected the link, edited its radius, uniform or per corner, and published your update. Use consistent values across your site for a cohesive look, and you'll have clean